Blueberry cake. We have the pink box again.
Yeah, actually, that's the reason why we went here.
Crumble. This is what we got. What are we doing first?
I want to try the cakes first. So, one side na lang tayo para, you know. One side! Okay. Oh, damn. Oh my god, it's oozing with milk!
Let's try.
Sarap. I like it.
Wow, this is good, bro.
It's actually good.
This cookie dough cookie. Should we break it in half?
Okay.
Ooh.
Damn.
What? I like it.
Actually, it's good. But it's not that unique. Something I already tried from Crumble.
I like it,
But it's
because
good. I like the frosting. You know what? I like it.
strawberry cake. This one.
What? Black will like this. Parang the strawberry flavor hits you agad, you know? Like the artificial kind of
the
strawberry.
strawberry.
Like,
I don't like it. Hindi rin kasi ako mahilig sa strawberry.
that's why. Ako, it's sakto lang.
Blueberry cheesecake. Okay.
It does taste like cheesecake. But it's not my favorite.
Okay lang. Sugar cookie.
I'm actually excited for that one.
I like this only because it's crispy. I like the texture of this one. Totoo yung sinasabi nila na yung crumble, lasa lang siyang cookie batter.
Cookie dough.
Chocolate cake cookie.
Tastes like a brownie.
Too sweet.
Nothing really.
Masarap siya, pero OA lang sa icing. Pero kung ito lang, masarap siya. This one. Masyadong matamis yung icing niya.
What's your favorite? Mine is the cookie dough.
Sarap ng tres leches.
Masarap din to. Siguro I just had high expectations.
That's the crumble of the week. See you guys next week.
Crumble of the week for this week. What do y'all want us to try next?
Yeah, comment below. I'll rate everything. I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Siguro 7 out of 10 then.
Really?
Bye.
Bye, guys!
So we're here at Bali for my birthday. First order of business is McDo. Let's do a McDo mukbang. I'm with Bea Blight and Shanika.
Hi, Mga Petty.
McSpicy sandwich. This is truffle fries, right? Yeah. Yeah, with this chicken. Laki ng chicken nila. And Korean soy garlic wings. Hi. Kayod mga sis.
Let's do McSpicy sa Philippines. Sobrang daming mayo. Spicy nga siya.
Yum.
Okay. Okay. Ay, gusto mo cold?
Masarap. Masarap. 1 to 10.
Hi guys, so I'll try
9.
How are you using it?
We all got a McSpicy. Is it good? How would
Yeah.
you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Ooh. Look at that. First bite.
This is good.
So good.
spice.
Ano, kamusta?
Tastes like curry, right? Yeah.
May sauce yan. Ito. I think this is sambal.
I don't want to take the risk because this is already. Love you.
Meron bang life-changing
Kung kaya ako.
difference? Or wala? Parang wala namang difference kapag inad to. Parang aangang lang naman.
Oo. Naangangan ako pero hindi yung gayong level nila.
Tama. Ay,
Pag comfy ka, feminine ka.
Can I try?
Warung. Yung parang Indonesian food. Tapos parang...
Walang pinipiling lugar kahit dito magmumukbang. Sabay tayo. Ay na. Can I lagay this here?
Ang sarap ng spice.
Finally, matatry ko na yung Dunkin' Pistachio Donut. 353 to for 3 pieces. Parang kulang lang yung filling niya inside kasi nasa gitna lang.
Tinapay lahat.
I'll give this a 7. Kasi parang nakakaumay siya. Pero okay naman siya. Kung mahilig kayo sa pistachio. Kwek-kwek, kikiam, and fishball. So, let's see. This is my sauce. It's spicy with suka. This is my favorite. Kwek-kwek. Oh. I used to buy fishball all the time sa school. Yung 10 pieces a stick. Tapos 20 pesos isa.
Magkano kaya?
Walang laman.
Switch again.
At all of this for 48 pesos. 6 kwek-kweks, 4 kikiams, and 10 fishball. You're full na.
So, isaw.
Wanna look for isaw?
Isaw calamari.
You wanna look for isaw?
Wala. Tara.
Tara. second way. We have Chipotle. I got steak, white rice, sour cream, queso, salsa, all that good stuff. First bite. Full storage ako, so yung na-video ko kanina, hindi siya na-save. I have Dubai chocolate again. I got this from Shop with A&D sa Instagram, but I'm gonna break this again for you guys. Yeah. Ito na siguro yung favorite chocolate ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa chocolate. Pero nagkaroon ako ng fixation sa Dubai chocolate. Ang dami ko ng videos with this.
Second ba yun tayo?
Third ata.
Kasama mo si Jad.
Yung last video ko, na itong Dubai chocolate, ang dami nag-comment sa inyo na yung kasama ko daw si Jad. Eh, nagkataon din nung same week na yon.
Kasama kayo nun.
Magkasama kami. Like, nakaschedule na magko-collab kami nun. Nagkataon lang pala guys na siya ulit yung kasama ko nung dumating to sa akin. So, ayun. Pero mas gusto ko yung Biscoff kaysa dito sa pistachio.
Ako niyan. Biscoff exclusive.
Hindi na kasha. Bye. Sarap ng hotdog. Yung sausage.
Try.
Have here the viral Uncle Boss sausage. Actually, nintry ko na siya before. Pero ngayon lang ako gumawa ng video. Nagprito din ako ng onion and garlic.
Ooh!
Grabe yung cheese.
Ah, wala masyado.
Mmm.
Ang kalat.
Daming cheese. This is Lucky Me Chili Mansi na beef.
Wala sila sa...
Which is cheaper. Well, that is a little like different. And he's like, his mom's like very involved. That's so funny. They're making breadsticks. Tips off. LA chicks. I have boiled eggs. Balot. Sarap siya. Meron kasi iba na OE yung sisiw. Sorry, tatanggalin ko yung sisiw. Kumain ako ng sisiw kanina, so hindi ko na to kakainin.
Ang mahal pala ng balot. 100?
25 isa.
Tingnan natin. Ikaw kailangan mo matikman yung worm na edible. Ayun, ay...
Never. Yun nga yung pinaka-toto, tapos kakainin ko.
Kaya nga, parang challenge.
Mac and cheese. And laki ng chicken nila. Laki. This is the other flavor. I really like like the mac and cheese. Chicken.
Another mukbang here in Bali. I tried the famous Philadelphia sushi here in Bali. I saw this at TikTok, so I wanted to try it out. I just got the Philadelphia classic roll. Ta-da! Looks good. First bite. That's good. Ang sarap. This has like truffle in it. Mm.